Today, I'll be showing you how to install a set of Year Racing rock rails onto an SCX24. Let's start by removing two screws that connect the skid plate to the Deadbolt's frame rail. Now grab your rock rail mounting plate and attach it to the frame using the screws that were just taken out. There are multiple holes provided on the plate, allowing different rock rail mounting positions to fit your specific model of SCX24. To figure out where they should be mounted, stick a piece of tape on the rock rail and form it into the channel where the body will rest. Using the tape, attach the rock rail in different mounting positions until you find the one that best fits your SCX24. Next, connect the rock rails to the mounting plate with 2 of the 4 nut and bolt combinations provided with the set. Hand tighten your nuts and bolts in the proper mounting holes with the nuts facing up for better ground clearance. I'll finish securing the rock rail to the mounting plate using a crescent wrench. This will prevent the nuts from spinning while the bolts are being tightened. To complete the install, repeat the process on the other side. The rock rails do add some extra weight to the SCX24, but with the added weight being positioned toward the outside of the vehicle, I've noticed better stability on the trail. Here's a demonstration of how the rock rails affect the deadbolt while crawling. If you'd like to learn more about the SCX24, check out one of the video recommendations coming up next. Thanks for watching.